Welcome to the Canada biggest best barbecue. Really?
Oh, nanay tapos din.
Yes, please. 4. Yeah.
There's your 4.
Huh?
And then
Ay,
You'll pay at your table.
huh? Guys, we try this one. And here's one. Guys, nami diri sa Big Bees. Sorry. Guys, nami diri sa Big Sky. And Monilahang. I don't know kung sani, pero famous sa diri. Yay. Guys, say hi. Hi. Eric. Okay. Oh, see?
I'm just
Oops. Eric, what's that, Eric?
This is brisket.
Ah, okay. See?
I'll take this one, the half one.
Oh, napa siya sausage and diba? And this is sausage. Dagko kay ng sausage, guys, murag kuan. Mac and cheese. Guys, kumusta yung experience?
Busog kayo.
Busog kaayo. Imo. Yan. How was it? How's the food? How's the food? Good. Eric, how's the food?
Makaluya.
Makaluya. Guys, daghan kay guys. So, ginamo mahurot. Ay, ato sa unaw ng pan siguro kay kanang mate.
They are the Balot family.
Balot tea.
The Balot team. From
Nami diri oh.
from the Philippines.
From the Philippines.
Balot boy. Balot team.
Kunin pa rin mga break eh. Parang more chances of winning.
Kian.
Pwede na ka na kanina manok. Hindi gahatag yun.
Kaning.
Dagan na kayo may gipamutos diri guys. So. Balutin mo ako.
Dulang. May tagusa.
Ang tape, sister.
Ang tape. Putla na tape. Napay na yung tape. Napay taas na tape oh. Oh, see? Advance di mag-isip. Oh, see? Tabang masilingan.
Ipato rakin ipato. Mura na kapatong mo notebook.
Sila.
Ay, hindi. 12 per pound, sister. Ganit. 12 per pound. 12 per pound. 29 siya.
Ang ilang bacon nila pila?
Asa lang bacon? Yeah, bacon.
Oh, kanyo. Para sa Costco.
Yeah.
Ay, 37. Pero kung duha mo ka buok sa inyong pamagkamaran mo, magkuhan-kuhan mo. Bakit na kayo?
Cheese.